What's up, you guys? Apex Boom. Today I'm going to be going over how to set up and download EasyCop bot. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to the EasyCop bot Discord, and if you're on the Windows PC you get the Windows download, and if you're on the Mac you follow the instructions in order to get the Mac download. Once you have that downloaded, you head over to your folder, the download section, and it should be right here. It should be in a zipped file. Now in order to unzip it, I use 7-zip, but you can use the default extractor. Anything is fine to extract the files. Then you just want to extract it to your destination of choice. Then once that is done, you'll have your folder. The folder is now open now. Now you just want to go into it, double click again, and EasyCop foot sites. Right here, this is the actual application. So you can double click on this and you'll be able to access the actual app, the software itself. Just put in your key and you should be good to go. Now, for example, if you want to have a shortcut to your desktop, like right here, the icon to make it easier and more accessible to access the bot quickly, just right click on the mouse and then go to create shortcut. Now you'll see a shortcut is created. Now you just drag that into desktop and boom, there you go. And you can rename it to whatever you want to. So for example, we can rename it to, let's say, EasyCop bot foot sites, like that. Simple as that. Now you have your shortcut ready and you're good to go. Now when it comes to actually accessing the bot, double click right there, or you can double click on the shortcut. All right, now you see you have everything here. Of course, your profiles. To create a profile, of course, you just put in all your credentials. And when you're putting in your address and things of that nature, when it comes to your zip code, you want to press fix. Now, down here, checkout frequency. You can leave it as once per SKU per site, but for me, I always like to do once, just to keep things safe. But if you're living life on the edge, go ahead and do once per SKU per site if you want to. Now in the settings section, you come over here to put in your Discord webhook, and you can test it to see if things work. If it doesn't work, that means you put in the wrong Discord webhook, or you obviously did something wrong. Perhaps you just don't know. Now to create tasks is fairly simple. You just come to the bottom left hand corner where it says create task, and paste in the webhook from via the EasyCop bot Discord for whatever product is dropping. I'm just gonna make up something right off the top of my head, blah 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 blah, something like that. And you can come here to select the site, but I'll leave it as Foot Locker. Now you can leave the size as random if you want to, or if you want to try to go for sizes or a particular size that has profit, you can do that. Now if you want to select multiple sizes, what you can do is hold Control and left click on the sizes that you desire. So for example, 9.5, hold Control, 10.5, hold Control, 13.5. Boom. And the same goes for profiles. If you want to select multiple profiles, of course you do the same thing. Hold Control, left click type, left click AW1, left click BT. Now for your proxy list, you just select whatever proxy list that you want to. For example, we're going to click SFS. And for task number, they always try to say to use 25 tasks max. That way, if you try to go overboard with tasks, for example, if you want to make like 100 tasks, that's a no-go, simply because you're going to end up using up a whole lot more cookies, and that is not good at all. So at least for right now, 25 tasks is the max number for right now. That's what they say. Now I'm just going to put in 5, for example, and hit create task. Boom, now we have our task. Now if you want to mass edit your task, like, oh crap, I want to change out a proxy list or a profile or something, you're going to want to left click, and this time instead of holding Control, you want to hold Shift. So you select one task, boom. Then while holding Shift, for example, select whatever other task you want to, and it'll highlight everything in that area. Now all you have to do there is just right click, go to edit, then boom. For example, if you want to change your proxy list, instead of using SFS, we'll go ahead and use CISP now. And let's say if we want to change out the SKU, oh crap, SKU changed last minute, we'll go ahead and put in something different. So now when you click save, everything is different now from these tasks. And you can also select very if you want to just select particular tasks, all you have to do is press Control, left click, left click, left click, left click, and you can do it that way as well. So if you want to change the SKU that way, you can do it like that as well. Either way works. Now if we head over to the proxy section, it is fairly easy. You just come to create list, and of course you put in whatever the name of the proxy list you want to name it as. We'll just say Hunter just because, and you'll come and paste your proxies. Now I don't have any proxies to paste, so I'll just do localhost for right now. and I'll do it like that. Now you see I use localhost, but since it's not an actual proxy, nothing's gonna show up. If I use the actual proxies, for example, as a matter of fact, hold on, let me just grab a list real quick just to show you guys. All right, since we already have the list created, we're gonna go over to add proxies. Boom, add our proxies, click add, and boom, now you see that we have our proxies input into the bot. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want to change out these proxies, you guys already know the routine. In order to mass link change, select whatever task you want. Boom, boom, boom. Right click on the mouse, edit, and you can change whatever proxy list. Now we have HUTA, so we'll just put in HUTA, save, and there we go. All right, well, that pretty much wraps everything up. Thanks for watching, guys. Deuces.